When you start an online business, there's no manual given to you. You don't know how to make more people visit your website, you don't know how to increase your sales. But don't worry, we are happy to help you improve your company in any way we can. If you want your online business to grow, the first thing that you need to do is increase the amount of traffic that comes to your website, which is another way of saying that you need to attract more people to your site. But having good traffic does not always ensure good sales. So then, what ensures good sales? Well, it's the conversion rate of your website. The percentage of user on your website who fulfills a targeted goal, which could be a purchase conversion, out of the total number of visitors is what we call the conversion rate. And to build and extend your business, you must perform conversion rate optimization. The goal of conversion rate optimization, or CRO, is to raise the proportion of site visitors who take the intended course of action. The desired action could be buying a product, clicking add to cart, signing up for a service, filling out a form, or going to a link. So today we will tell you 7 ways to boost your e-commerce conversion rate. Let's dive in. Number 1 is the landing page. The saying goes, the first impression is the last. If you want to make a good first impression, your landing page needs to be both visually appealing and simple to read. Add a short video introducing your website and any necessary actions for subscribing to your service or purchasing a product. In an effort to win over customers, you should emphasize why your site is preferable over other websites. Make your product more appealing and stand out from the competition. Number 2, colors and images. Yes, you heard it right. Make your website colorful, happy, and bright. Don't make it dull or boring. Make an effort to draw as much attention as possible to the button you want visitors to click. Ensure that it is clear to the reader and stands out so visitors can easily identify where to click. Put nothing on your website that is a stock image. Bring credibility and honesty to the table. Include descriptive images of your goods and work to earn the trust of your potential customers. Number 3, improve your site speed. Remember to use tools like Google Page Insights, GT Metrics, or Pingdom tools for website analysis and suggestions to improve your site speed. Number 4, hurry up. No, there is no need for you to speed up. Nevertheless, the customer should. Inspire your customers to take actions immediately and click your link or button. Use phrases like only a few hours left, last few items, and flash sale. Number 5, describe your website. It is essential that the purpose of your website is made crystal clear on the landing page. Remember to include catchy taglines because people are more likely to remember your brand if your taglines are simple, catchy, and able to explain what your product actually does. And number 6, the A/B testing. Split your website visitors into 2 groups, each of which will view a unique variant of your site. This method allows you to determine which version of your website works best. Headlines, colors, buttons, website layouts, font sizes, and more can all be A/B tested as an experiment. You can also use tools like Google Optimize to do all these experiments. Number 7, and the last step, is analyzing tools. Analyzing data is a breeze with the help of programs like Google Analytics or Visitor Analytics. There are technologies like OptimizePress, Plurdy, and HubSpot that will greatly assist in conversion rate optimization. So, these are some of the top 7 ways to improve conversion rate and eventually help you to grow your business.